5 seconds. Start. Your Excellency, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, honorable speakers of both houses of Parliament, honorable members, Excellency, and my dear sisters and brothers of Ethiopia, it is a moment of great privilege for me to stand before you today. It is wonderful to be here in Ethiopia, the land of lions. I am honored to be here in this temple of democracy in the heart of a nation with ancient wisdom and modern aspirations. On behalf of the 1.4 billion people of India, I bring greetings of friendship, goodwill, and brotherhood. I was honored to receive the Grand Honor Nishan of Ethiopia from my dear friend Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed. I accept this award with folded hands, with humility on behalf of the people of India. Honorable members, Ethiopia is one of the oldest civilizations in human history. Here, history is alive in the mountains, in the valley, and in the hearts of the Ethiopian people. Today, Ethiopia stands tall because its roots are deep. To stand in Ethiopia is to stand where the past is honored, the present is full of purpose, and the future is welcomed with open hearts. This blend of old and new, this balance between ancient wisdom and modern ambition. India's national song Vande Mataram and Ethiopian national anthem both refer to our land as the mother. They inspire us to take pride in the heritage, culture, natural beauty, and protect the motherland. Honorable members, India and Ethiopia share warmth in climate as well as in spirit. Nearly 2000 years ago, our ancestors built connections across great waters. Across the Indian Ocean, merchants sailed with spices, cotton, coffee, and gold. They exchanged ideas, stories, and way of life. In modern times, our relationship entered a new era. Indian soldiers fought alongside Ethiopian for the liberation of Ethiopia in 1941. Honorable members, today Indian companies are among the largest foreign investors in Ethiopia. They have invested more than $5 billion in diverse sectors like textile, manufacturing, agriculture, health, and more. They have created more than 75,000 local jobs. We have decided to elevate our bilateral relationship to the level of a strategic partnership. This will unleash the potential of our economies through cooperation in technology, innovation, mining, sustainability, and clean energy. It will also help secure the future for our peoples through cooperation in food security, health security, and capacity building. In addition, we will also enhance our trade and investment cooperation as well as on defense and security matters. Honorable members, as developing countries, we have a lot to learn from and offer to each other. Agriculture forms the backbone of our two nations. It feeds our people. It sustains our farmers. It connects tradition with innovation. We can work together to develop better seeds, irrigation systems, and soil health technologies. As climate change affects rainfall and crop cycle, we can share knowledge in climate resilient farming. From dairy farming to farm mechanism, from millet research to food processing, together we can help our farmers prosper. Honorable members, in India, we have built a robust digital public infrastructure. It has transformed the way we deliver services and how people access them. Today, every citizen in India can use technology for payments, for identity, and for government services. More than half of the world's real-time digital payments now happen in India. As you roll out the Digital Ethiopian 2025 strategy, we are ready to share our expertise and our experience with Ethiopia. And we are honored that we have picked India as the trusted partner to develop the data center for your foreign ministry. Honorable members, India is known as the pharmacy of the world. During the COVID pandemic, the entire world was worried. It was a very difficult time. Despite limited resources, we considered it our sacred duty to humanity to do everything possible to help others. I am glad that our healthcare cooperation is growing from pharmaceuticals to hospitals and from traditional medicine to telemedicine. We are committed to strengthen our health security cooperation further, from provisioning of new equipment in hospitals to capacity building of healthcare professionals. Honorable members, Ethiopia sits at a crossroad of Africa. India stands at the heart of the Indian Ocean. We are natural partners in regional peace, security, and connectivity. Our commitment to mutual security become stronger with the signing of the Defense Cooperation Agreement earlier this year. This agreement focuses on closer military cooperation. It includes collaboration in cybersecurity, in defense industries, in joint research, and in capacity building. Honorable members, as vibrant and diverse democracy, we both understand that democracy is a way of life and it is a journey. It is shaped sometimes by debate, sometimes by disagreement, but always by belief in the rule of law and the will of the people. Both our constitution also reflect the spirit. Honorable members, Mahatma Gandhi gave us the concept of trusteeship. We do not own this beautiful planet and its resources. Instead, we are trustees who must take care of them and pass them to our children. The spirit of trusteeship that guides India's A Tree for Mother initiative is also reflected in Ethiopia's Green Legacy initiative. Both our nations believe in caring for Mother Earth. Both believe in giving back to nature. Together, let us work on renewable energy and green jobs. India will be happy to support Ethiopia's efforts to give a powerful voice to the Global South at COP32 in 2027. Honorable members, the Global South is writing its own destiny and India and Ethiopia share a vision for it. Our vision is of a world where the Global South rises not against anyone but for everyone. A world where development is fair, where technology is accessible, and where sovereignty is respected. A world where prosperity is shared and peace is defended. Honorable members, as I conclude, I give you my word that we will walk together as equal. We will build together as partners and we will succeed together, friends, full stop.